Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narendra Yadav. Today I am going to teach you a very important lesson which is very helpful for spoken English. In this video, we are going to learn about past continuous tense, and I will teach you what is past continuous tense and what is the sentence making structure of past continuous tense, and we will learn everything through some examples also. So if you came to watch my video first time, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start this class. So students, first of all I am going to teach you about what is past continuous tense. So past continuous tense means what? Past continuous tense means any work, any things, any work, that means कोई भी कार्य, any work was happening in past. मतलब पास्ट में, भूतकाल में कोई भी वर्क, कोई भी काम हो रहा था, मतलब कंटिन्यूसली हो रहा था पास्ट में, भूतकाल में, पास्ट में. एनी वर्क वाज हैपनिंग इन पास्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दिस टेबल व्हिच इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर understand this tense, past continuous tense. So in English grammar we have three person: first person, second person and third person. And in English grammar we have two number also. Singular number means ekvachan and plural number means bahuvachan. Is it clear student? And this tense, past continuous tense, the sentence making structure is subject. We have to put subject, and after then we have to use was or where, and was or where it will be changed according to our subject. Okay, was where it will be changed according to our subject, and after then verb का fourth form. ओके, जिसे शॉर्ट में ing फॉर्म भी बोलते हैं. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फर्स्ट पर्सन. तो व्हाट इज दिस बच्चों? व्हाट इज दिस चिल्ड्रेन? फर्स्ट. दिस इज फर्स्ट पर्सन, दिस इज सेकेंड पर्सन and this is our third person. So let's talk about first person singular number. First person singular number I and first person plural number is we. So let's make a new sentence. So I was eating. I was eating, full stop. I was eating, that means I was eating. We have one sentence, I was eating, that means it is related to past continuous tense. How? Because I was eating, that means in Hindi how we can say I was eating, that means मैं खा रहा था. That means the work, I am talking about this sentence, the work was happening, continuously happening. मतलब खाने का जो काम था वो लगातार पास्ट में. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज आई एम टीचिंग यू पास्ट टेंस, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. सो द वर्क ऑफ ईटिंग, इट वाज कंटिन्यूसली हैपनिंग जस्ट लाइक दिस वे इन पास्ट टेंस, एंड देयर इज नो एनी मेंशन अबाउट stop of eating. So it was happening continuously, that's why it is related to past continuous tense. And past continuous tense, our structure is we have to put subject, and after then was where, and after then verb का fourth form. So was I के साथ हमेशा was लगता है. and now let's talk about plural number, first person plural number. तो we were eating. We were eating, तो हम लोग खा रहे थे. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सेकेंड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर. तो हाउ वी कैन मेक अ फ्रेश न्यू सेंटेंस? सो you were eating, full stop. And it will be also same, you were eating, full stop. and let's talk about third person, okay, which is very important. So this is our third person singular number. We have this all these are subjects, okay, he, she, it and Raj. Basically he, she and it, what is this? These are pronoun क्या होता है? pronoun जो noun के बदले में जिसका यूज किया जाता है, प्रयोग किया जाता है, ओके. एंड दिस इज व्हाट? नाउन, मतलब किसी भी व्यक्ति के नाम जो होता है, किसी भी स्थान का नाम, जैसे मेरा नाम है नरेंद्र, आपका कुछ और होगा. तो ये सारे ऑल दीज आर नॉन, ओके. एंड प्रोनाउन जो नॉन के बदले में प्रयोग किया जाता है. तो ये सारे के साथ हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे बच्चों? was eating, फुल स्टॉप. एंड इसके साथ हम लोग क्या करेंगे बच्चों? यूज थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल नंबर के साथ हम लोग वेयर का यूज करेंगे, वर का. WER, इसको वेयर नहीं पढ़ा जाता है, नहीं पढ़ा जाता है, इसको वर पढ़ा जाता है, ओके. जैसे एक another, we have another word also, that is that I am telling you spelling, H, that is heard, you know, HEAR, hear, and that is HEARED. That is we have to pronounce, we have to pronunciation like this word heard, okay, not heard, heard. And HER here means sunna, okay, and heard. So third person plural number के साथ we should use where, we should use were. तो they were eating, okay. So let's talk about, we have 3 examples also. मैं खा रहा था, how we can speak in English? तो मैं खा रहा था, it is related to past continuous tense. तो first we have to put subject, मैं खा रहा था, I was eating. And after then this is our subject, हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे, how we can speak in English? हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे, how we can speak in English? हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे, that means we were, हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे, we were reading. रीड में ING लगा दिए, तो we were reading, that means हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे. And we have also another sentence, and which is last sentence of this class, okay students. So sentence is वह पटना जा रहा था, वह पटना जा रहा था, वह पटना से आ रहा था. You can make different type of sentence, okay. It's depend on your choice, it's depend on your how much efforts you want to do on your spoken English, on your speaking, everything. When you will practice more and more, than your spoken English and your communication skills, public skills, everything will be improved. If you will not practice every day, then it will be never improve. So practice is very important in our life. Practice makes, there is a quotation also, that is practice makes perfection. मतलब प्रैक्टिस से ही परफेक्शन आता है. तो आवर सेंटेंस इज वह पटना जा रहा था, जा रहा था. तो from this sentence we can understand it is talking about male gender, it is not talking about female gender. Female gender, that means if it will be if it will be say like that, वह पटना जा रही थी, वह पटना जा रही थी, that means we can understand it is talking about female gender. But here it is talking about male gender. So he, he होता है use, he is used for male gender, and she is used for female gender, okay. तो वह पटना जा रहा था, he was going to Patna, that means वह पटना जा रहा था. So students, now I am going to finish this class and I hope you really enjoy this video, and please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please, if you want to connect with me, if you want to get latest updates about me and my channel, then please you can follow me on my all the social media handles and you can connect with me. And thanks for watching this video. Take care, stay happy, wish you all the best.